In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two apps you wish to use in this view and open one of them. Now go into Background Apps and click on the icon of an app at the top. Select Open in Split Screen View and select a second one over here. As you can see now, I can use both at once. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and hit Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!